Here's a picture of some more of the ducting just laid out in front of our equipment. We've got our furnace, our air conditioning coil, our vent stack, the return plenum, filter cabinet, and supply plenum here. Our line set for the air conditioner in this picture is already welded in, as well as our condensate lines in place. Here's another view of another can. You can see how tight the ductwork is. We tape the inside, then we pull the jacketing around and use a 3-foot panduit strap to secure the duct. It's actually secured underneath as well as on top per code. This can that we put in, there was a slight opening along here, so we took a mastic and sealed the duct just to make sure that we aren't losing any air. Our goal is to have less than 4% air loss on a new installation. Here's David strapping up the duct as we're working our way back towards the equipment. We're keeping everything strapped every 3 feet per code and then securing it up in the rafters because the homeowner wants to use the attic space for a work area and storage area. David's using his screw gun here to secure the strap to the roof rafters. Another picture of the duct secured. There's a duct that's coming down from the ceiling joist down straight to the boot, which is located under the plywood platform. You can see the piece here we cut out. It's taped on the inside, panduit strap, then the jacket's pulled down, taped on the outside, and panduit strapped again. Again, this is per code. We also are trying to achieve a less than 4% loss of air through a system. This is another shot of one of our ceiling cans. You can see the panduit strap and the duct going up into the ceiling and over to our equipment. Here is all the ductwork is coming in. You can see our flags on our dampers. You can see our returns coming into the top here and the side here. All exposed metal in the duct system will be wrapped with fiberglass insulation to prevent from sweating, prevent loss of efficiency, and to make sure everything is nice and clean. The panel is now on the equipment. Abel is doing some last minute connections there, and here he is just checking out the final ductwork to make sure that it's properly hung and tight and meets the homeowner's requirements. We also ran during the roughen process the refrigerant line, which comes down the outside wall and penetrates here for our location of our outdoor condensing unit. The unit is then, the lines are pushed out through the hole that we cut. We install a flashing around it, and then this will allow the people doing the outside work, the siding or stucco, to patch it. Once that is finished, then we will come back and set our equipment on a pad next to the line set.